as a final year MBBS student who has exams next month and literally 11 subjects to cover, I am in a study marathon. पता ही नहीं है पढ़ना चालू कब करती हूँ, खत्म कब होता है. So study breaks are definitely a necessity. So I'm going to tell you all the ways in which I take a break, and I'm going to rate them from the worst to the best. Okay, so let's just start. So the worst way to take a break, I think all of us know this, it's Instagram. Scrolling Instagram using your phone. But like, come on, everybody has done it. We are still going to do it. The only thing that you can do about this is कि instead of using your phone after like half an hour of a study session, use it after 4 or 5 hours. क्योंकि एक बार फोन खोल लिया तो कम से कम आधे घंटे तो खुला रहने वाला है. तो बेटर ये है कि 4-5 घंटे पढ़ने के बाद जब थोड़ा गिल्ट कम हो तब फोन उठाओ, तब इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल कर लो, आधा घंटा 1 घंटा वेस्ट कर दो, एंड देन go and sit back to study, right? The second way is either calling up a friend or going out with your friend to have a coffee or tea sometime. अब इसमें now this is also one of the most repeated methods in which even I take a break. सब कॉलेज वाले उठ के चले जाते हैं, चाय पी के वापस आ जाते हैं, and then we sit back to study. I think that is still okay, but if you call up a friend तो उसके दो ही कंक्लूजन होंगे. या तो तुम बहुत ही ज्यादा स्ट्रेस फील करोगे पढ़ाई की बात कर ली तो, और या फिर बहुत ही ज्यादा रिलैक्स फील करोगे. None of which are really good. So this is also a okayish way to take a break, but yeah, there are better ways coming. The third way in which you can take a break is jo bhi favorite series which you've watched over and over again. Like for me, it's Modern Family. I've watched it so many times that I literally remember each and every dialogue, everything. Okay. So I can sit down, watch just 10 minutes of the series and close it क्योंकि मुझे इतना इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं आ रहा है अभी, because मैंने बहुत बार देख लिया है, right? And I already know आगे क्या होने वाला है. So if I watch a series like that, I also get refreshed. I don't have the urge to watch more and more episodes. So any series that you've watched over and over again, you can watch 10 or 5 minutes or 20 minutes of that series and get back to studying. This is also, I think, a good way to take a break. The fourth way is to take a power nap. बट दिस इज अ लिटिल रिस्की मेथड क्योंकि अगर पावर नैप की जगह वो 2-3 घंटे का सोना हो गया तो काफी टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा. सो लाइक टेल अ फैमिली मेंबर और टेल अ फ्रेंड टू वेक यू अप लिटरली आफ्टर 20 minutes or 30 minutes एंड उसके बाद एकदम उठ जाओ. एंड अगेन, डोंट टेक दिस ब्रेक आफ्टर 1 or 2 hours ऑफ स्टडिंग. टेक दिस ब्रेक आफ्टर यू स्टडीड फॉर लाइक 4 or 5 hours. सुबह से दिन तक पढ़ने बैठे हो और फिर थक गए हो, देन यू कैन टेक अ आफ्टरनून नैप, स्लीप फॉर लाइक an hour or half an hour and then wake up, right? Do not extend it a lot because you will feel very guilty jab late uthoge. Now we are coming on to the really good ones. So the fifth way to take a break is actually a music break. And ये मैं बहुत करती हूँ. You can listen to your favorite songs and उसके साथ you can dance a little, move a little, या फिर तुम balcony में चल जाओ थोड़ी देर walk करने, नीचे चल जाओ society में, just take a round and then come back and sit to study. You'll actually feel really fresh after this. But also do not extend it बहुत ज़्यादा. 2-3 गाने सुनो and that's it. Now, the sixth way, which I do a lot, is sitting with my family, chit chatting and playing cards. So this is one thing that we do together कि बहुत देर पढ़ने के बाद हम बैठते हैं and हम सब बैठ के कार्ड्स खेलते हैं, हर बार नए नए गेम्स डिस्कवर करते रहते हैं. This is one way that will make you feel really fresh. कुछ भी घर वालों के साथ बैठ के कुछ भी गॉसिप भी कर लोगे ना, even sit with your brother or sister and just talk about anything and then come back and sit to study. Again, this is a time consuming वाला break. इसमें आधा घंटा almost चले जाएगा. So do it after you've studied for like a good amount of time. The seventh way, and genuinely a very good way to take a break, and this is a smaller one also, go out and stand in the sun and just think about nothing. Close off your brain, shut off your brain. बाहर जाके आराम से खड़े हो जाओ, कुछ सोचो मत, बस खड़े रहो, आसपास देखते रहो, धूप सेको and you'll actually feel good. You know, sunlight exposure really, really, really feels good. And एकदम से ना अच्छा अच्छा लगता है. Like, do not think about अभी मुझे क्या पढ़ना है, कितना syllabus हो गया, क्या बचा है. Do not think about anything. Just stop your brain for a while and आराम से खड़े रहो बस. Enjoy the धूप. मम्मी से चंपी करा लो ज़्यादा मन कर रहा है तो, and you'll actually feel really fresh. Now, one more way. These are all bonus ways because it's something that I do. I don't know if other people also do this, but yeah, I play a game of chess. Now even you can do this. If you don't like chess, you can do something else. कोई और गेम खेल सकते हो. I do not mean Clash of Clans or Free Fire or whatever. ये addictive games नहीं, वो फालतू boring games होते हैं ना, just temple run types. वो खेल सकते हो for a while and just one game. For example, chess में मैं blitz खेलती हूँ, 1 minute, 3 minutes, something like that. And बस एक game. Again, same for any other game that you're playing. बस 1 minute का, 2 minute का, 3 minute का, and that's it. And I actually feel fresh. Like बट द रूल इज आई डो नॉट स्क्रोल एनीथिंग एल्स ऑन माई फोन. मैं तब सिर्फ वो गेम ही खेलती हूँ और फोन उठा के बंद करके साइड में रख देती हूँ. कई बार आईपैड पे खेल लेती हूँ. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स आईपैड पे खेलती हूँ. इफ यू आर वेरी वेरी एग्जॉस्टेड और बिल्कुल ही लाइक काफी देर से पढ़ रहे थे एंड दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है, there's a block in your brain. So one thing that you can do is, this is very cliche but it really works. Open up any guided meditation, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, jitna bhi, and do it. Like Medito ek app hai, you can download that. This is not sponsored by the way. And just 5-10 minute na try and meditate, try that guided meditation. You'll actually, तुम्हारे दिमाग में वो पढ़ाई वाले थॉट्स एक बार साइड होंगे. यू विल थिंक अबाउट समथिंग एल्स, यू विल फील फ्रेश एंड देन यू कैन गेट बैक टू स्टडी एंड ऑल्सो यू विल फील काम. थोड़ा वो दिमाग से जो ब्लॉक होता है ना वो हट जाता है एंड देन यू कैन रियली सिट डाउन एंड देन गेट बैक टू स्टडिंग. एंड नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द लास्ट वे, which is something that I do all the time. I think it is really related to the sunlight exposure thing, but yeah, पूरे दिन तो sunlight नहीं होती है. So whenever I've studied for like an hour or 2 hours and I'm tired, so what I do is that I just go out. I stand in my balcony, or if I'm in the hostel, again same, मैं छत पे चल जाऊंगी 2 मिनट and I just walk. I just walk for a while, आगे पीछे इधर उधर, and I don't think about anything. I look around, I walk for like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and I stop my brain for that while. And उसके बाद I come back, I feel really calm, and then I can get back to studying. This is a very small kind of break. 5 minute लगते हैं hardly to do this, and you actually feel fresh after it. So yeah, these were all the ways that I use. If you have any other ways, kindly tell in the comment section down below. औरों के साथ साथ मेरी भी help होने वाली है उससे. So yeah, and that was it for the video. Follow for more.